Every Friday we have our farm market here on Butler's property, and this is where we sell everything that we grow and bake to most of the parents or students or just the staff who work here. And we're really excited as ninth years to begin to sell our stuff to our local farmer markets in Darnestown and more.
This process starts with the seventh years, and what they do is they help around with the eighth years, which are the managers, and the seventh years are basically just a helping hand, but they also get to learn from the eighth years and just experience all the jobs we have here at Butler. The eighth years, the managers, are the ones who are really putting our farm and our community together. They're the ones who cooperate and they work together to grow all of our crops and produce all of our baked goods to sell at farm market. And as a ninth year, we're the ones who are basically overseeing them, and we deal with more of the money aspect of the farm market.
As microeconomy manager, I have the best job. I get to track all the expenses and the revenue and the profit, and I get to make spreadsheets and do math, and Miss Daly would be very proud of me, and I hear this is going to make me a good business manager.